Teaching English Level 1 Lesson 5 Jobs in English. An accountant. An actor. A baker. A barber. A carpenter. A captain. A doctor. A dentist. An electrician. An economist. A farmer. A fisherman. A gardener. A geologist. A hairdresser. A hunter. An inspector. An investor. A jeweler. A judge. A librarian. A lawyer. A manager. A mailman. A nurse. A nanny. An officer. An operator. A painter. A plumber. A reporter. A referee. A soldier. A sailor. A teacher. A tailor. A vet. A vendor. A zoologist. A zookeeper. If you liked the video, don't forget to push the like button, subscribe, and send your comments and questions to answer them by making more videos. The end.